Hi guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Let us see the one best interesting website called Apartment Community Management System. Basically, to manage the more number of apartments are very difficult without proper planning. So to overcome these problem, we can develop one best website called Apartment Community Management System. This is our website. So let us see the flow of this website. In these websites, we have three modules: admin, resident, and maintenance head. Admin login with default credentials like username and password. And then admin can add the maintenance heads and also can view the added maintenance heads. And then admin can add the apartments and view the added apartments. Then resident can register and log in with register email and password. Then resident can view the added apartments. Admin can add and view the leasing details for particular apartment. Resident can view the leasing details added by the admin, and if the resident is interested, then he can send the leasing request to admin. Admin can view the all requests sent by the resident. Then admin can accept only one request. Remaining requests are rejected automatically. And then resident can log in and pay the leasing rent, and also resident can pay the bills like gas bill, electricity bill, and so on. And resident can view the payments, and also admin also can view the payments. If resident have any issues like water issues, any tap issues, and so on, then resident can raise the complaint and also can view the raised complaint. Maintenance head can log in with email and password, and then maintenance head can view the resident complaints. Then maintenance head can clear these complaints raised by the resident by assigning one worker for particular complaint. Then maintenance head can update the complaints. And also maintenance head also can view the payments. Admin can view the complaints raised by the resident. Let us see the website, how it works. Click on this icon. Admin login page will be open. Enter the username as admin and password also admin. Click on login button. Admin home page will be open. Admin can add the maintenance head. So click on this button. Then add the maintenance head. Give the name, email, phone number, password, and about. Click on add. So in this page only we can view the added maintenance head details. And then admin can add the apartments. Click on these. Apartment page will be open. Give the apartment number. Number should be unique. It doesn't accept the duplicate number. And then give the floor number, number of bedrooms, and number of bathrooms, image, and click on add button. Here apartments are added, and we can give the leasing details for particular apartment. Click on this button. Leasing page will be open. Give the contract period, price. Click on add button. Leasing details will be added here, and then you can register the resident. Click on sign up button. Give the resident name, resident email, phone number, password, ID proof, number of persons, then give the number of persons details here, name, age, and second person name, age, third person name and age. Click on register button and then resident can log in with register email and password. Click on login button. This is the resident home page. Resident can view the apartments and leasing details added by the admin. So he can view the all details and resident can send the request to admin. Log out and log in to the admin. Admin can view the request sent by the resident. Click on apartments. Here you can see the request. If admin wants to accept, then click on accept button. Remaining are automatically rejected. And then log out. Then log into the resident. Enter email and password. Then click on view apartments. Here status will be changed to request accepted by admin. When these status only, these buttons are appear. So the resident can pay the leasing rent and also you can pay the bills. Click on pay amount button. Leasing amount will be appear here. Enter the card numbers. You can give 16 digits. Holder name, card holder name, CVV, expiry date. For these details we have validations. For validations we can use JavaScript. Click on pay button. Here total leasing amount will be paid. Status will be changed to like this. And then resident can pay the bills like electricity bills, gas bills and so on. Electricity bills, bill amount 500, units 5 units, card number, holder name, CVV, expiry date, pay bill amount. So then resident also can view the payments here. Here bill type is leasing rent and bill type is electricity bill. These are all the payment details. And the resident have any issues, then he can raise the complaint here. Click on add complaint button. Form will be open. Enter the complaint title, available date and time. This time is available for resident. Resident can enter the available time. Picture, description. On add button. Then we can view the complaints here. Log out and log into the maintenance head by giving email and password. This is the maintenance head home page. Maintenance head can view the complaints raised by the resident. We can click here. Resident details will be appear here like resident name, phone number and also apartment number. And then you can view the complaint and click on update complaint button. Then you can assign one worker for particular complaint. Click on update button. See your worker name also appear here. Log out and then log into the resident. Password. Your status will be changed. Water tap is not complaint in progress. So after this issue is clear, then log into the maintenance head. Then you can view the complaints. After this, if the complaint is clear, then maintenance head, click on complete button. Then complaint will be resolved. Maintenance head also view the payments. These are all the payments. He can only view the bill payments. He doesn't view the leasing rent payments. Log out and log into the admin. Admin also view the complaints and also payments. Log into the admin. You can view the payments. These are all the payments. And also admin can view the complaints. These are all the complaints. This is our website. Thank you.